Hi, I'm Lucas Ribeiro, the founder and CEO of RecipePro, a tool designed to revolutionize the way that you connect your Salesforce to Tableau, Snowflake, AWS, CRM Analytics, and others. Now, if you're a data-driven organization, then you understand how frustrating and time-consuming data integration can be. Well, that's where RecipePro comes in. It automates all of that, allowing you to focus on making better business decisions and allowing you data engineers to focus on bigger tasks. With RecipePro, you can automate data flows, eliminate manual data manipulation, and unlock powerful insights. Whether you're tracking portfolio performance, forecasting sales, or ensuring compliance, RecipePro helps you turn data into actions with just a few clicks. And this is just the beginning of what RecipePro can do. So in the next video, I'll walk you through how to get set up and show you how easy it is to get started. So stay tuned and let's transform the way you manage your data.